Hello dear students, in this video we will take up another important topic, biocontrol agents. What are biocontrol agents? Biocontrol. Biocontrol meaning डिजीज फैलाने वाले जो इंसेक्ट्स और पेस्ट्स होते हैं उनको कंट्रोल करना. बायोकंट्रोल के अंडर में हम इंसेक्ट्स और पेस्ट को कंट्रोल करने के जो मेथड्स होते हैं उनकी स्टडी करते हैं. क्लियर? इनडायरेक्टली वी कैन से दैट द यूज ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल मेथड्स टू कंट्रोल प्लांट डिजीज एंड पेस्ट्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. We will discuss Bacillus thuringiensis after some time. Before, we should have knowledge organic farming and conventional methods. What is the difference between them? If the farming in which no chemicals are used by the particular farmer, this farming is known as organic farming. But in conventional methods, we use different types of insecticides, pesticides, and weedicides. Now, for example, dragonflies. Dragonflies which kill mosquitoes, and these dragonflies are act as like a biocontrol agents. Bio means living thing, control means जो living thing जो control करते हैं क्या agents को यानी pests को. तो dragonfly is a best example of it. Ladyband is another example who remove the different types of insects. Now we will talk about Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis, short form BT. It is a type of bacteria which is isolated from a lichen. This bacteria release a specific types of toxic substance which is inactive in form, and we collect this inactive toxic substance in a sachet, and after some time the farmer use this sachet or dissolve in it water. हम उसको पानी में क्या करते हैं, इस sachet को mix कर देते हैं, and they spray into the particular field areas or the crop areas. But what happened next? It is target specific. The all types of inactive toxic substances, those are present in sachet, they are target specific. It means ये क्या करते हैं, जो यूजफुल आपके जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं उनको नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते हैं. They kill the different types of pathogens, especially the caterpillars. Clear? Who harm our crops. Now, what happened in their whole process? Inactive toxic substances, whenever we spray into the over the crop areas or the different types of plants, then it entered into the caterpillar's gut. कैटरपिलर जो इनको खाते हैं, ये टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस इनएक्टिव टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंस क्या होगा, कैटरपिलर्स की गट में चला जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट, ड्यू टू इन एल्कलाइन मीडियम ऑफ द कैटरपिलर्स गट, it convert into the active form or active toxic substances. And after some time, the gut or the intestine of a particular caterpillar, it damage and the caterpillar die. In this way, BT or Bacillus thuringiensis play a very important role to control the caterpillar or pests. We use different types of bacteria in different types of crops. For example, BT cotton and BT brinjals are the best example of the Bacillus thuringiensis. In next video, we will talk about the different types of trichoderma.